We have a bunch of tasks and a bunch of statuses, but when we're done or completed, we want a strike through or a cross out. How do we do that? We're going to select the A column, go up to Format, Conditional Formatting, and in the format rules, we're going to switch to custom formula is equals to B1 equals done, in quotes. And instead of the fill color, we'll actually click none, and we're just going to select strike through. That's the cross out, and click done. Now we can X out of conditional formatting, and now anytime we do this, look at that. They're all done, and they all get a strike through. Hopefully that was a really fun, quick little animation or automation, whatever you want to call it. Really should help your Google Sheets look and feel better. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.